The oscilloscope's pass-or-fail function is a practical automated test and determination function that is mainly used to quickly check whether the signal meets preset standards or conditions. Today, the pass-or-fail function is introduced by taking the Depot 7000 series oscilloscope as an example in the production and testing of electronic products. Turn on the pass-or-fail function on the oscilloscope. Click on the mask. Click on the load. Recall stored files from the machine's internal memory or external USB drive for current pass test functionality. When the signal is imparted to the Depot 7000 oscilloscope, the oscilloscope automatically compares the real-time parameters of the signal to the preset standard conditions. If the parameters of the signal are within the set standard range, then the oscilloscope will determine that the signal passes the test. Otherwise, it will be judged as failure. In the production test of the sensor, when the parameters of the sensor are within the set standard range, it means that the product is qualified, and the robot transmits the qualified product to a next step. When it is not within the set standard range, it means that the product is not qualified. The waveform will change and the sound alarm will be issued, and the unqualified product will fall. This function is widely used in the production test of electronic products to quickly screen products that do not meet specifications, improve production efficiency and product quality.